Guys, I have exciting news. Before we get into this video about grid life, I want to announce that this is going to be the last video recorded on iPhone. And that is because I finally got one! I'm so freaking excited. Dude, it's been 3 years too long, but stay tuned. More and better content to come. Enjoy the video. Good morning! Welcome back or welcome. It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm all dressed and ready. I've been up since 5 o'clock. We're heading to Grid Life.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Fit check real quick. Now, Jordy is not coming with us, unfortunately. We are riding solo because I'm working in the Nappy Boys Automotive booth. I got an hour and a half drive ahead of me, so I'll see you guys at Grid Life. Okay guys, after getting lost like 5 times, we made it. Woo! All right, let's go check in. I always forget how massive this track is. It's so pretty. Got our bracelet. Now time to find parking.
Later.
I had to park in GA, but caught a ride.
Yeah, no, this is the nicest place.
Well, Seymour, I made it.
Almost all set up at the booth. Hell yeah, all set up. Got chain detailing. At least I kind of have one of the best views in the house. Compared to a New York bacon, egg, and cheese, but I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat it. Safe to say, Hurt put me on to bubbler. I don't like sparkling water, but this is actually pretty good. Booth update. Friday's always a slow day. I'm waiting to eat lunch and do a little walk around. Definitely a hot one today. At least got my trusty dusty van. Familiar. So I did not have time to walk around today, but it's okay. There's always tomorrow. Gonna pack up the booth and most likely call it a night soon. See you tomorrow, booth, and you. Oh, we're gonna get in the truck. I am currently on my way to the shop to see what Jordy and all of them are up to. See you guys then. Oh yeah. I think they're eating though. I definitely went home because I was just so exhausted. I am now gonna get ready for bed and do the same thing tomorrow. Yeah! Honestly, this is a great opportunity and I couldn't thank anyone else but Jim because he recommended me. So thanks, Jim. Anyways, I'm gonna try and get more footage for you guys tomorrow. I'm talking Jordy into coming, so fingers crossed. It's gonna be very hectic at the booth. So either way, it's gonna be a show. I'm so tired. I will give you a fit check when we get there because I need to get there. Look how cute this is. They don't know mine is at home. Day 2. Thanks, Hurt, for the parking pass because now I'm right next to the booth. Didn't have to park in GA and hitch a ride. Woo! Last night we didn't have to break down too much, so thankfully there's not that much to set up. Let's do an outfit check. Gates don't open until 9. Hurt and Shane aren't gonna be here until 8:30. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. I'm gonna walk around a little bit. There's a car show today too. Show is still filling in, so I'm gonna go back to the booth, set up, and we'll get Jordy to record more.
1 hour later.
And we are live for the day. New tattoo, guys.
1
1 hour later.
The power within. 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 The power within.
Look who's here! Wearing his brand new shirt.
Edison popped out. Cool. Very cool. These wheels are kind of fire. I'm not gonna lie. Sick, dude. It looks good. For some reason, I want one of these so bad. Come on. That is so good. Also very cool. It's a haze car. I do like this a lot. The little pinstripe with the hard. This is one of my favorite Miata mods. Come on, that's cool. With the mirrors that match. What do the tails look like? Normal-ish. It's cool. R Magic, it's called. I wonder if it's like, if anyone knows what cool Miata this is, let me know. Because I have no idea what this is. Low-key, one of my favorite vehicles ever made. 20th GTI is so hard. Why do you think I'm so hyped about that 1.8T in my car? That's why. Those cars are so sick. We got Dan's car. Some insane hail damage, but it actually looks good. I think last time we saw this, he was putting the Style 19s on, which actually looks pretty dang good. I like Style 19s. Favorite OEM wheel. All right, boys. Got some grub. And this is where I lay. One thing about Lime Rock is it's an extremely beautiful track. Like, you're in the mountains. I killed that 100%. I don't know what they're doing down there, but I think it's like an autograph signing for the road race guys. Cool if you're into that. That's pretty damn cool. With the canards, the RG2s. Come on, that thing's hard as hell. That looks good. Never get sick of these. The prize with the shirt tucked in heteros. Hard type back. This one kind of goes crazy too. I like the skirts. Very cool. We got Tommy's section. Tommy does not sleep with anything he does. Look at how good that car is. All of them. Like this. Good job, Tom. I don't know, guys, that's kind of the only stuff that I think is pretty cool as of right now. I'm going back to the pits. Get out, Kai. Race Miata. And see? Kind of growing on me. I kind of like these. Another one. Kind of gas. Not gonna lie. I don't know why I like these now. This is so good. Everyone got to go bully Jimmy to actually drive his. Corner lights are a make or break for these. Grant's car that just went 30,100 miles. Drift session time. Get up fast. There we go. Sorry, I don't know why my camera's not focusing. right, guys, that concludes drifting at GridLife with George. Sorry, my camera was very I spilt water all over it, and I think I ruined it. So now I need a new phone, probably. But what a great event. Update on Kai. How's it going?
Hanging in there.
Tired?
Exhausted. I am off 2 Red Bulls right now. It's the last day. Very grateful for the opportunity, though.
So you do it in
Shout
2
out
weeks.
Jim. Shout out Hurt. Shout out T-Pain.
Shout out
Nappy Boys. Shout out Raquel, even though she's not here, because without her help and organization, I probably wouldn't have been able to just jump right into it.
Whose system's easier, mine or hers?
Hers is definitely easier than yours. Make sure to pre-order his shirt. So Jordy has left us. It is almost 4:30. Last drifting session is at 5:25, I believe. Almost done here.
2 hours later.
Boots about closed down. Car started. Jordy left me the Miata. I'm not excited for this drive home. On my way home, guys, just me and Big Red, favorite passenger princess.
The next morning.
Good morning. I was so tired last night, I honestly didn't really care to record. So here we are. I'm gonna end off the video with me bleeding my coolant because it was running a little bit hot on the way home. And if you guys don't remember from my last private day,
Grant broke it.
yeah, so I never actually bled the coolant after that. So let's do that. Slay. Already brought her up here. Does this look like a heart to anyone else? I think it's very cute. Hey, you got my materials. Anyways, she still looks like shit. I'll give you guys a close-up of what it looks like.
Brother,
It's so bad. The pillars even. And that's just tire. Whatever. Just means I'm cool. Wheels are so cool. Okay. Yeah. Got our little station ready.
Turn it on, turn your heat on full blast.
Car's on, heat's full blast. My foot is slightly on the gas pedal because I yak, you yak. Alright, now we wait. 179. You single? How much for the hour? There, you guys can see the numbers now. Fans are almost on. They usually kick on around like 195, 196. Oh, it's dropping now. Fans kicked on. We are down to 187. What are you doing?
It's done. Go drive it.
Like drive it?
Damn. Parked in the perfect spot.
She's handicapped right now.
I was talking about you.
Miata is parked back up in the spot it belongs in. We bled the coolant for absolutely no reason because it's still kind of running hot. Don't know if it's an issue with the fans or something else, but we'll figure it out. To be quite honest with you guys, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the weekend, relaxing. Make sure to pre-order George shirts. We need groceries. And I'll see you next week for Legends of Drift. I'll be helping out at Grant's booth this time. I know, I side quested too hard and now I'm Universal Booth Girl. I love it. Thank you again, Nappy Boys and Hurt, for having me. Hopefully more to come. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.